Hey, I wanted to take a quick little overview of this house. It's got the driveway in pretty good shape. It's got a handicap ramp going in this way. It's got a big porch here. Probably want to replace this green. Inside, the floors look pretty good. The kitchen, I have to do something with these up there. I think I would just bring this up, even with the other, put new countertops, put a new sink. These look pretty good, except they got them cheap hinges on them. I can make shakers out of those. Tile backsplash. This one here, I can bring it up to make an island. Just bring it up even. Put 2 stools there. Floors are good, brand new. Pretty good size area. Ceilings look good. The paneling, I was thinking maybe I could either fill it or drywall it. The windows are okay. They got screens in the garage. Little room here. This is the bathroom. It's an ugly little area. It's got a tub, fiberglass tub, enclosure. Have to do something with that. Floor, crummy little thing, everything there. That's that one. Secondary bedroom, all new floors. A closet, has a couple of places for there. Got actually a good sized closet, good sized walk-in closet in here. Ceilings look all good. Thermostat is pretty good. Looks like it's a newer unit. The doors are in good shape. They're flat panel, but this is the master. The master bath. Definitely needs to be painted. There's a vanity in here. And the floor is really off. The floor needs to be fixed. It's bumpy. And this has to be removed. I'd have to do something with this shower area for sure. Over here, we have a walk-in closet for the master. That's pretty much it for this kitchen. Outside, it's got this siding, which is nice. Handicap ramp. Big area in here with a washer and dryer. Egg cartons, I don't know why they did that. Looks like they've got the all vinyl siding. Needs some paint, touch up on the outside. Air conditioning unit looks fairly decent. Definitely needs to be cleaned up. I don't know if you can paint this vinyl siding, but it needs to be painted. got a little dent up there. Outside. Looks like a nice street. Okay, it's been a while since I posted my first video of this mobile home. Originally, we had a green carpet out here with concrete floor. We had just ugly walls, and now all brand new wood floors, electric fireplace, redid the kitchen, white shaker cabinets, brand new backsplash, stainless steel appliances, undermount Corian sink with a stainless steel. Right there, I didn't install it yet. It is a automatic air switch for the garbage disposal. Brand new stove, brand new vent. All the doors, everything have been redone. Brand new appliances. Refrigerator has water coming out of it. Brand extension of cabinets. I added this peninsula with a 10-inch overhang on both sides so you can enjoy your company. Redid all the floors, put in new LED lights, got rid of the fluorescent lights, put brand new faucets in, repainted the entire place, repainted the dining room, buffet. Very spacious living room that you can look into the kitchen from here, so you can have conversations with your significant other or wife while they're cooking. You could also pull up a chair and sit there and have your coffee. I also got rid of a ugly glass sliding door and put a barn door, which was much more appealing, and it does the same job. All brand new floors. I went into this right here, I have to excuse it. This is my last room to do. It's completely done, except I just have my tools stored here until I get them out of here. The bathroom has been completely redone. I have put James Hardie fiber cement underneath. I ripped out all the old and wet stuff, put a brand new tub in. James Hardie fiber cement reinforced behind that wall with the tile. Brand new toilet, elongated toilet that's a higher toilet. Brand new vanities, brand new lights, brand new mirror. It's a completely brand new bathroom that will never have a problem with mold because it's all concrete all the way up to the window. This is your second bathroom. It also goes back to wood, transitions to wood. Then you go into the master bedroom. Master bedroom is all wood, 2 nice windows. The house sits perfectly. It sits on a north-south exposure. The sun never really beats directly into the home. It has a nice walk-in closet. All wood floors in there. Then you go into your master bath, which has all brand new floors, all reinforced, covered with tile. I also used Red Guard on it to give it an extra barrier for the water protection. A brand new elongated higher toilet with the 2 different types of energy flushes. Brand new vanity, brand new mirror, brand new fixtures, all painted. Brand new light fixture, all brand new tile in the shower, a nice Listello waterfall down to the pan, A nice shower with an extra handle on it to be able to clean the shower with. This is another example of a bathroom that was completely redone and gutted. You will never have a problem with this. Next we're going to move, I'm going to show you briefly my other bedroom. It has a nice walk-in closet and it's a good size and it's all wood floors. I am just moved my tools in here until I can get them out. I am still finishing up some painting of the doors and some exterior painting to make it even more special. All GFIs in the bathroom have been put in and in the kitchen. So all wet areas are now protected with a GFI. You have a digital thermostat for central air conditioning. The air conditioner is about 5 years old and it does a great job. Out into going through the living room, which also is an L shape and gives you the dining room area with a nice sitting area. Looking back on the kitchen, it's awesome. All white shakers, beautifully done with LEDs in the ceiling, new appliances. You don't find many like this. Going through here, you have your dining room area, and you go into your extra patio area that is completely sealed off. All nice wood floors, all waterproofed all around the edges. A nice fireplace. It'll have screens that you can open up the doors, put the screens in and enjoy the winter cool months and sit outside here and have your fireplace, electric fireplace with a heater if you desire it. If not, you just enjoy the nice view of a comfortable, relaxing fireplace. The property also has a handicap ramp. It has a shed with the washer and dryer. And it is in top condition. The roof is metal. The outside will be painted. I've painted the shutters on the outside. I want to do the inside of the shutters. And this house has come a long way. So if you're looking for a house that you do not have to redo and you can move right into, this is the one you want. 941-356-9538. 941-356-9538. It's in Ellington, Florida, Colony Cove. Thank you.